What's the meaning of Adam Bede? Adam Bede. Adam Bede. Adam Bede. Adam Bede. Adam Bede. Adam Bede is a novel written by George Eliot, published in 1859. The title character, Adam Bede, is a carpenter who lives in a rural English community. The novel follows his romantic relationships with two women, Hetty Sorrell and Dinah Morris, against the backdrop of social and economic changes in the early 19th century. The novel explores themes such as morality, religion, love, and the impact of industrialization on rural communities. Ultimately, the story highlights the importance of personal responsibility and forgiveness in finding happiness and living a fulfilling life. The novel has been praised for its realistic portrayal of people and events, as well as its insightful commentary on human nature.